Daisy, hibiscus, tulips.
Very good, ma. Very good, Varsha. Next is Taruneshwar. Taruneshwar.
சொல்லு.
Come on, Taruneshwar.
என்னது இது? இங்க பாரு. Daisy இல்ல.
The flower in ma.
பாரு, book பாரு.
Which is lily? The lily flower.
Lily எது காட்டு. Lily காட்டு.
Which is lily? Okay. Lily eduma? First one or second one? First one lily. Second one? Second one? Third one?
Daisy.
Daisy. Fourth one?
Hibiscus.
Fifth one?
இது என்னது? Turtle. என்னது?
Tulip. Tulip. Okay. Very good, Taruneshwar. Thank you, ma. Next is Radhyani.
சொல்லுடா.
Lily. Aspen. Aspen.
Aster இது என்னது?
Daisy.
Next.
Hibiscus.
Good.
எப்படி இருக்கு?
Next one. Very good, ma Radhyani. Super. Thank you, Sarah. Sarah.
What is this one?
Sarah.
Aster. Aster.
Third one.
Third क्या? Sarah
Daisy. Good. Fourth one.
Discuss.
Okay. Fifth one.
Tulip.
Tulip. Very good. Rudwin க்கு தெரியுமா? Rudwin அம்மா.
Yes ma'am.
சொல்லுங்க பாக்கலாம்.
சொல்லு மேம் சொல்லு. இது பேர் சொல்லு. இந்த ஃப்ளவர் பேர் சொல்லுங்க. மேம் கொஞ்சம் ப்ரொனன்சியேஷன் வந்து கொஞ்சம் ப்ராப்ளம் மேம். ஆனா கரெக்ட்டா
சொல்லுங்க பாக்கலாம். லவுடா. கம் ஆன் லவுடர் மா.
சத்தமா சொல்லு. நீ சத்தமா சொல்லு. இது டெய்சி வந்து தேர்ட் மா. இது
சரி ஓகே நான் சொல்றேன் அவங்க கரெக்ட்டா பாயிண்ட் அவுட் பண்றாங்களான்னு பாருங்க. which is lily? lily எது? lily எங்க இருக்கு காட்டுங்க மேம்.
லில்லி எது இதுல?
லில்லிமா
லில்லி
இது
எஸ் மேம்.
லில்லி ஓகேவா? செகண்ட் ஒன் ஆஸ்டர். ஆஸ்டர் எங்க இருக்கு? ஆஸ்டர்.
Yes ma'am.
Others also can point out children. Aster. Point out Aster. Aster எங்க இருக்கு? எல்லாரும் டச் பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Where is Aster? Good. Third Lily. Sorry, Daisy. Where is Daisy?
Yes ma'am. He's identified.
Daisy. Hibiscus. Everyone touch hibiscus. 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 Chambarati poo. Hibiscus. Good. Tulip. Tulip engama irukku Rudwin? Tulip. Very good. Thank you Rudwin. Thank you. Is there anyone whom I left? Everyone I asked except Kavi Karthika and Dashwan Velan. Okay.
Magini.
Thank you children. Now all of you stand. Magini. I think I left out Magini.
Yeah.
Magini, come on.
சொல்லுங்க. இது என்ன? நேம் சொல்லுங்க. இது என்ன? பேர் சொல்லுங்க. இந்த ஃப்ளவர் பேர். அது பேர் என்ன? அந்த ஃப்ளவர் பேர் என்ன? சவுண்டா சொல்லு.
Daisy.
ஓகே. இது
Which one is Daisy? Show me.
இது டெய்சி.
Daisy.
Which one? First one, second one, or third one?
கட் பண்ணி காட்டு டெய்சி.
Edu Daisy. Good. Very good. Next.
நெக்ஸ்ட் அடுத்தது என்ன? இது என்ன ஃப்ளவர்? சரி, அது என்ன ஃப்ளவர்?
Aster.
சவுண்டா சொல்லு. கரெக்ட் தான்.
Answer.
Next
அது
one.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இருக்கிறது என்னது? அது என்ன?
Lily.
இல்லி.
Lily.
Lily. Where is hibiscus?
ஹைபிஸ்கஸ்.
Hibiscus.
வெரி குட்.
Very good. Tulip.
டூலிப்.
Tulip. Very good, Mahirini. Good, but you have to learn, Mahirini. Tomorrow I'll be asking you again. Okay? Kavi Kartika is there? Kavi Kartika.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kavi Kartika. Come on, name the flowers. What flower is this?
Lily.
Lily. யாரும் சொல்லிக் கொடுக்க கூடாது. If they don't know, I will teach them. Lily. Second, what is this?
Aster.
Super. This one?
Daisy.
Daisy. This one? Hibiscus. Hibiscus. This one, hibiscus.
Hibiscus.
This one? Tulip.
Tulip.
Tulip. Okay, Dashwan is there? Dashwan. Come on, Dashwan. Name the flowers, Dashwan. Come on. Touch and say the flower. Touch the flower.
What is this, ma? Which flower?
First one.
சொல்லு.
Rani.
சவுண்டே சொல்லு. சவுண்டே சொல்லு.
Lily. Very good.
சவுண்டே ரஷன். சவுண்ட்.
Aster. Super.
அப்புறம் சவுண்டே சொல்லு ரஷன்.
Tulip. What is that? Tulip. Louder pesanuma, Dashwan. Ma'am cannot hear you, no? Okay. Okay. Thank you, children. All of you stand up for Kidsy Anthem. Join your hands and close your eyes. Join your hands and close your eyes. Ready? Today who will say Kidsy Anthem? Ananya will say. Come on, Ananya.
Anthem. What without me? What sign? What?
Unique.
Unique. Side. On my mind.
You're the wings.
Wings.
Beneath my flight.
We did decide on my mind.
You define me.
You define me.
Hmm.
I put this aside.
Today I pledge.
Today I put on my mind.
I shall achieve you.
Catch you. I put this aside.
Very good. Thank you so much. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. Yeah, very good morning, children. Good morning. Okay. Okay, children, today I am not able to play the song. Instead of that, we'll do the colors activity. Color, color, what color do you choose? Come on, stand up, all of you. Color, color, what color do you choose? I choose yellow. t-shirt காமிக்கிறீங்களா விஹான்? Yellow, very good Hazel. Visha uniform, Madhuvanti uniform. Okay, yellow color building block, yellow color flower, Radhyani, good. Yellow color mango, very good Mitra. Okay, very good. Yellow color, what is that? Pencil, Sukrit, very nice. Vasha shown something you are showing, I don't know what is that. Crown, okay, good, very good. Okay, now color, what color do you choose? Now I'm going to ask you anyone, you are going to select the color. I'm going to ask Visha, what color do you want to choose?
ஏதோ ஒரு கலர் சொல்லு பாப்பா. Blue color.
Blue, come on, everyone bring any blue color. Run and bring blue color. Run, all of you, don't stand in your place. Don't get help from your mama. Come on, you yourself go and bring. Very good. Pad, crayon, Hazel, lazy girl. Showing me the crayon. Okay. Again, building block, a shirt, box, Spider-Man socks and shoes. Okay, good. Well done, Sarah. Poly bag. Okay. Mask. Very good, Varsha. Innovative, Varsha. Good. Pouch. Good. Well done. Very good. Okay. Now again, color. What color do you choose? Sarah is going to say one color now. Sarah.
Baby color.
क्या सेम कलर
What?
क्या कलर होना तुझे
Okay.
पर्पल इट सीम्स
Purple. All of you go and bring any purple object. Purple or violet. Come on. Search. Is there anything purple in color? I'll also bring. I've got a purple star. Purple hairband. Very good. Purple umbrella. Good. Purple building block. Purple water bottle. Well done. What is that, Varsha? Mobile. Purple color. Okay, good. Then purple color. Sukrit ku purple color kadakaliya. Achacho, pao. Searching Sukrit. You can show me the crayons also, children. Okay? Because it is very rare, no? So you have to see the objects. Purple crayon also you can show. No issues. Good. Very good. And the final color ma'am will say. Okay? Color. What color do you choose? Red. Red. Very good, children. All of you go and bring red color balloon, red color bag, red color water bottle, red color dress, red color snacks box, Hazel. Again, bag sitting in the same place itself. You brought your bag, huh? Ring, okay. Hula hoop ring. What is that? Ring, okay. Toy, red color toy, Spider-Man. Very good. Car. What is that, Taruneshwar? Red color? What is that? Toy. Okay, good. And red color, Malini, what did you bring? Nobody brought tomato, huh? Tomato also is red in color. Apple also is red in color.
சொல்லு.
Who brought tomato?
Okay.
Very good. Thank you. Clap hands for yourself.
Okay.
Clap hands for yourself. Very good. Wonderful, children. Okay, now keep your materials down. Next is the rhyme session. Vegetable rhymes. How many of you learned vegetable rhymes? How many of you learned? Lisa learned. Then? Yes, on that day to Radhama, many of you sang vegetable rhymes. I saw it. Who all sang the rhyme? Very good. Okay, first will be Visha. Come on, Visha. Vegetable rhymes.
Visha.
Okay, call you again.
Vegetable fit and empty, well-friendly, garden, well-friendly tree. When the top, then the foot, then the eat. Put and the let's go eat.
Very good. Well done. And this purple star goes for Visha.
சொல்லுங்க மதுவந்தி சொல்லுங்க.
Vegetables, rationality, some from garden and rationality. Buy them, then chop them, then cook to eat. Put in the salad, to eat.
Very good. Madhuvanti gets a blue color star. Very good, Madhuvanti. Okay, Jason knows the rhyme. Jason knows the rhyme.
First line part.
Vegetables, they're healthy to eat.
முடிச்சிராதடா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லைன் வா ஃப்ரெஷ்.
Vegetables, some from a garden, some from a field. Buy them and chop them and put to eat. And put in salad, they're healthy to eat.
Well done. Healthy to eat. Yes, ma, Jason.
Red star. Red star ma'am.
Red star goes for Jason.
Thank you.
Okay. Happy. Okay. Next is Varsha knows. Varsha knows the rhyme.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, sing the rhyme.
Vegetable, healthy to eat. Come from the garden and so from to eat. Banana, soaking, cooking to eat. I'm putting salad, healthy to eat.
Well done. Varsha needs what color star?
Pink.
Pink star for Varsha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Taya, welcome, ma. Mitra.
Fresh and healthy from the garden.
The garden and
Chop and
buy them and chop them and cook them to eat, or put them in salad. They are healthy to eat. Very good, ma, Mitra. Well done, but you have to learn clearly. Okay, Kana? Next is Hazel.
Come. Make a start.
Vegetable.
fluffy, vitamin, chocolate, cookies.
Express train Hazel. டக்குனு பாடிரணும்.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் சொல்லு. வெஜிடபிள்ஸ்
டக்குனு பண்ணா மேம் கேக்குறாங்க.
Vegetable, fresh and deep, sample for gardeners, sample field, vitamin, chocolate, cookies.
ஃபாஸ்ட் ஃபார்வர்ட் பண்ணா எப்படி இருக்கும்? Okay, well done. What color star you need, ma? Chalakutti?
I like blue.
Huh?
Blue.
Blue. Blue star for Hazel. Okay. Okay, next I'll ask Keshav. Keshav.
Yes,
Other I'll ask tomorrow. Okay, today we'll finish with Keshav. Rest of the children I'll ask tomorrow.
Vegetable, fresh and healthy, some from the garden and some from fields, and buy them and chop them to cook them to eat. No cooper salad and had it.
To eat. Very good. What color star Keshav needs?
I like buka.
Blue color. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Keshav. Okay, next it's time for our worksheet, children. We already learned alphabet till K. Yes or no? We learned A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K. And today's alphabet is L. What is the phonic sound for L? Can anyone tell me? What is the phonic sound for L?
Ow.
Hold your tongue up and say L. And what is the phonic sound for L? What is the phonic sound? Well done. Well done. Lick the lollipop. Very good. Now I want all of you to take your worksheet. Very good, ma. Very good, ma, Ananya. Now take your worksheet, children. L worksheet number is D35LT. It is very easy, children. Capital L, how will you write? A standing line and a sleeping line. But for the small L, there is no sleeping line, only a standing line. It is going to be very easy. Complete it fast. Before that, we'll write today's date, okay? What is today's date? What is the date today? Anyone knows?
Very good.
Yes? 16. Very good. What is right for 16? What number is right for 16? 1, 6, 16. Dash, 8, dash, 2, 121. What is this month, children? 8 means what month is that? 8 na enna month adu? August. Very good. August. Very good. Tomorrow's oral test will be months of the year, children, from January to December. Okay? And those who have not said flowers today properly, I'll ask them also tomorrow. Okay? I'll let you their names. Mahirni, Sara, Mahirni, Madhuvanti, Kavi Kartika. Okay? These 4, again I'll ask you the flowers. Have to say properly, children. Okay?
Keshav also, ma'am.
Sorry? Keshav. Yeah, Keshav also.
Yes.
Finished. Only a standing line, children. Very easy. L. Spell and write. L. L for lollipop. L for lion. L for, what will come next? Lily. Very good. L for lamb. L for lamb.
Fish, ma'am.
Very good. Well done. Next page will be your homework, children. Okay? You have finished. You move on to the next sheet. Yeah, very good. You move on to the next sheet. Yeah, good. Good, children. Okay, next is going to be a story, children. Ma'am is going to tell you a story. For that, I want you to take worksheet number D34 ERP. D34 ERP.
Ma'am, sorry, page number, ma'am.
D34 ERP. English Readiness Program, ERP. Okay, in this page we have a story here. First ma'am will tell you the story. I want all of you to look at ma'am. Story venuna ma'am paakணும். யாரும் எழுத கூடாது. No one should write. First story கேட்கணும். Then only you are going to do the activity in this sheet. Story கேட்ட அப்புறம் தான் அங்க கரெக்ட்டா ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியும். Okay, so first the story is there are 2 children, a boy and a girl. Okay, there are 2 children. One day when they were playing, they saw a bird lying on the floor. Okay, ஒரு bird என்னாச்சு? They saw it lying on the floor. தரையில ஒரு bird பார்த்தாங்க. So when you see a bird on the floor, what you will do? What you will do? You will go and see the bird, right? Bird எதனா பாத்தீங்கன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? கிட்ட போய் அந்த bird பாப்போம் இல்லையா? So they went and saw the bird. The bird was injured. Bird அடிபட்டுருச்சு. Okay, the bird was injured. So what they did, they thought, enna pannalam, the bird அடிபட்டுருச்சு என்ன பண்ணலாம்? So they thought of taking it to a, எங்க எடுத்துட்டு போவாங்க bird அடிபட்டா? Where they will take it? To a doctor, to a hospital. Okay, so they thought of taking it to a hospital. But regular hospital, we humans only will see. But for birds, animals and all, we take it to a veterinary doctor. Veterinary hospital, okay? That is for animals. Animals ko humans ko ஒரே hospital கிடையாது. No, different hospital. Okay, they are called as veterinary hospitals. Okay, so they took it to a veterinary doctor, and the doctor examined the bird and he gave some medicine. He put some bandage for the bird, and the bird ku medicine, bandage ellame கொடுத்துட்டு he gave it to the children. Okay, he gave it back to the children, and the children left the bird fly in the sky. So this is the story. Now what you are going to do is, here you have 4 sequences. Inga 4 sequence irukku. So what is the first scene? Which will be the first scene?
First என்னாச்சு?
First ennachu? Now what did I tell you in the story? First what happened?
But
Yeah, they saw a bird. Here, see, this is the picture where they saw a bird. Here, so in that box, you are going to write number 1. Second step, ennachu? Where did they take the bird? They took it to a
Hospital.
hospital. Where is the hospital picture there? Show me anyone. Show me. Very good, Mahirini, good. Number 2. Maini, no. Where are you writing? That is doctor. First, they have to go to a hospital. Apram the doctor. Okay, first hospital picture. That is number 2. Okay. Now third thing, they went to the hospital. Third, ennachi? They showed the bird to a doctor, veterinary doctor. Where is the veterinary doctor? That is number 3. Show me, where is the veterinary doctor?
Very good. That is
Very good, Mahirini. 3.
3.
And finally, fourth one, another, the bird. The bird, what happened? Adukku treatment kodutapra ennachu bird? It flew away. The children left the bird to fly. So that is going to be number 4. So this is the sequence of how to find out a story. Finish? Very good, children. Well done. Very good. So when you also see some bird or animals injured, where you will take it? Inga tookittu povinga to a veterinary doctor. Okay? Okay, now next is our flowers, children. Worksheet number D35 CT. D35 CT. Before that, I'll show you what are the flowers we already learnt. Okay? Let your parents take the page. All of you look at the screen. Ellaru screen parunga. Flowers. What flower is this? Come on, everyone can answer. What flower is this? Aster. Good. Parents சொல்லி கொடுக்காதீங்க. Dahlia. Okay, with lot of petals. Dahlia. Okay. Next. Daisy. Very good. Daisy. Very good, Rehan. Next. Next, what is this star? Lily. Very good. Lily. And what is this star? What is this? Lotus. Very good. Next. Very good, Rehan. Marigold. Okay, marigold. Very good. Sorry. Next. Orchid. Who said the answer? Very good, Keshava. Very good. Orchid. Very good, ma. Orchid. Next. This is a purple color flower and it has 5 petals. What is that? Periwinkle. Very good, Parameshwar. Periwinkle. Okay, very good. Periwinkle. This one. Very good. Good. Next. Sunflower. Very good, children. Okay. Let me tell you again, okay? All of you mute yourself. One more time, ma'am will teach you. Sunflower, okay? It is the biggest flower and it turns towards the sun. Okay, so that only it is called as sunflower, okay? This is rose, tulip, periwinkle, orchid, marigold, lotus, lily. If you can't see my screen, pin the name Kidzi1395, you can see. Hibiscus, daisy, dahlia, aster. So these are the flowers. Next we'll move on to our worksheet. Okay, come on, all of you take your worksheet. D35CT. Here you have the shadow of the flowers. First flower is periwinkle. Second flower is dahlia. Third flower is tulip. Fourth one is orchid. So come on, match the shadows. Match the shadows, children, correctly. It's very simple. Come on. Periwinkle, dahlia, tulip, orchid. This is periwinkle, dahlia, tulip, orchid.
Finish பண்ணிட்டியா?
Finish?
பண்ண முடியாது. Finish பண்ணன்னு சொல்லுங்க.
I finished, ma'am.
சொல்லுங்க.
Yeah, very good, Hazel. Shall we move on to the next worksheet? Okay, next is our math worksheet. Before moving to the maths worksheet, I want all of you to stand up. Stand up, all of you. Stand up, all of you. Parents, be ready with next math worksheet. It is going to be number D34 empty, okay? Children, before that, I want all of you to stand. Ma'am is going to count the numbers, okay? Come on, stand up. One. Jump, all of you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Achucho, after 17, what will I get? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 come from? 25, 26, very good, thank you. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33 க்கு அப்புறம் என்ன வரும்? 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 24, 25. Okay, children, so our numbers are over. Okay, now take the worksheet. Sit down, all of you. Take your worksheet. And the number is 2, 4, 24. 2, 4, 24. See here, you have straws here. Group of 10, 20, 24, 21, 22, 23, 24. 24, 2, 4, 24. 2, 4, 24.
அடுத்து இன்னொரு 10.
group of 10 னா என்ன சொல்லணும்?
Group of 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
21. Hmm.
இப்படி கிராஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்பதான் தெரியும்.
2, 4, 24.
24.
Very good. 25. 4 ஆயிச்சா 2, 4, 24. ஓகேவா இது
Very
எழுது.
good, Karneshwar.
22, 23, 24. சரி இங்க எழுதுங்க 2, 4, 24.
2, 4, 24. I want all of you to spell and write. எல்லாரும் spell பண்ணி எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம். 2,
Excuse
4,
me.
24.
24.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah, Supreet mom.
Actually, how to teach them this group of 10, ma'am? Because if I say group of 10 means he'll say group of 10 and another group of 10 and he'll start to say 1,
No,
2, 3.
10, 20, 30 like that we have to teach. I'll teach you today.
Okay, ma'am.
24. 2, 4, 24.
Very good. Come on, spell and write. Spell and write children group of, 2, 4, 24. Finish.
Ayyo.
Finished, ma'am.
Finish, ma'am.
Finish. Very good.
Finish,
Good mom.
ma'am.
Okay, do you all have your emotions that cut out happy, sad, angry, and fear? Scared face cut out? Any of you? If you have, go and bring it. Come on. Those are finished. You can go and bring. Others, let them write. Parents, you can give them the cutouts. If you don't have, also no issues.
Finish, ma'am. I'm the finish.
Finish. And this 25 sheet will be your homework, children.
Yeah.
This 2525 sheet will be your homework. D35 empty, mark it as homework. This sheet and L sheet will be your homework today. L worksheet and this math number 25 worksheet will be your homework. Ready, all of you?
मैम पे कट की
Yeah, very good. You all have the cutout?
Please, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Bring the cutouts. Now I am going to tell you one situation. You are going to think and you are going to react. Whether you feel happy, whether you feel sad, whether you will feel angry, or whether you feel scared. Okay. So 4 situations I am going to tell you. Listen carefully. First, in this picture, look at the screen, all of you. Look at the screen. Here you have 4 emotions. One is sad, angry, happy, and scared. Okay. So first situation, here what can you see? Here a girl was eating a bread. ஒரு girl என்ன பண்ணாங்க? She was eating a bread. Don't do the worksheet. First listen. Okay. First she was eating a bread. At that time what happened? A crow came and snatched away the bread from the girl. How will you feel? ஒரு crow வந்து உங்களோட bread snatch பண்ணிட்டு போயிடுச்சுன்னா எப்படி feel பண்ணுவீங்க? How will you feel? You will feel happy, you will feel sad, you will feel angry, or you will be scared. How will you feel?
Happy.
कट
You will be angry. Very good. Show me your angry face, angry cutout.
Angry.
Very good. So you will feel
Angry.
very angry because you are eating. At that time, if anyone snatches the food from you, how will you feel? உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப கோவம் வரும் இல்லையா? So angry. Okay. Now the second situation is it is raining. Okay, rain is வந்துட்டே இருக்கு. You are not able to go and play. உங்களால விளையாட முடியல. Then how will you feel?
ஆனா நம்மளால போய் விளையாட முடியல அப்பனா என்ன ஃபேஸ் வரும் நமக்கு
விளையாட முடியலன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? எப்படி ஃபீல் பண்ணுவீங்க? If you are not able to play, sad. Very good. Sad. Blue face. Sad. Okay. And the third situation is here a mummy and the child are going in a car. At that time they heard a loud thunder. இடி இடிச்சதுன்னா how will you feel? When you hear thunder, you will feel very
ஸ்கேர்ட்
எப்படி இருக்கு உங்களுக்கு? பயமா இருக்குமா இல்ல ஜாலியா இருக்கீங்களா? Scared, mummy, you will say no. So that is scared emotion. Okay. And the last one, when you see a butterfly flying, when you see a butterfly, how will you feel? Butterfly பார்த்தா எப்படி feel ஆவீங்க? Very good, Mahini. Okay. Now come on, fatafat match all the emotions according to the situation. First, the bird snatched the bread from the girl. So girl is very angry. So match the angry face. Next is it is raining. The girl is not able to play. She is very sad. And the third one, it is raining and you hear the thunder. You feel very scared. So what face you will match? The scared face. And the fourth situation, when you see a butterfly, you will feel very happy.
Next is I'm scared.
Slowly tell them the situation and let them match on their own. Happy match பண்ணு, sad match பண்ணுன்னு சொல்லாதீங்க parents. Ask them butterfly பார்த்தா எப்படி feel பண்ணுவ? thunder கேட்டா எப்படி feel பண்ணுவ? வெளியில விளையாட போலனா எப்படி feel பண்ணுவ? Like that you have to ask questions and let them match. Straight away answer சொல்லாதீங்க. Then the same thing they will expect all the time. எல்லா டைமும் மம்மி ஆன்சர் சொல்லி கொடுத்துருவாங்க அப்படின்னு நினைப்பாங்க. Hope you have finished matching, children.
Yes, ma'am.
sure
Please, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, ma.
Please, ma'am.
Very good, Tanishwar. Well done. Well done. Finish all of you. Today we are going to learn 10 counting. Come on, finish fast. Very good, Mamitra. Good. Finish all of you. Keep the book down. Close your book. Yeah, finish, close your book. Today we are going to learn tens counting. Like normally we say 1, 2, 3 like that, no? But this is tens counting. 10, 10 na solo. Okay? So I have group of ice cream sticks here and each of the group has 10 numbers in it. So I have 10, 10, 10, 10 like that. Many groups I have. So today we are going to see the tens counting. So this is 10. Next is another group of 10 together when you add is 20. Mahirini, finished? Is there anyone still doing the worksheet? Homework line pa panna vendam. Come on, look at the screen. Okay, இப்ப என்ன பார்க்க போறோம்னா 10 10 add பண்ணும்போது என்ன நம்பர் வரும்னு பார்க்க போறோம். Okay, first is 10, group of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Totally 100 sticks here. Okay, now I want all of you to show your fingers and ask your parents to take a pen or a sketch pen and write 10, 20, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90 and 100, 100 in your fingers. Come on, ask your parents to write. இந்த வாட்டத்திலே எழுதுங்க, இப்படி மேல இருந்து கீழ வரலாம் எழுதாதீங்க. Okay, please parents don't write like that. Like this itself you write. How we usually write the numbers, no, like that itself you write. I have no sketch with me, so I'm writing with a pen.
மேம் ஸ்பேஸ் கம்மியா இருக்கே மேம் கொஞ்சம்.
Sorry?
இங்க
எழுதுங்க. Mahini, எழுதுங்க. See, ma'am has written in the finger. 1 0 10, 2 0 20.
1 0 10 1.
Mahini எழுத வேண்டாம், நீங்க எழுதலாம்.
4
Parents can write in the finger.
ஸ்பேஸ் கொஞ்சம் கம்மியா இருக்கு மேம். 1.
Finish. Who finished? Finished. Very good, Radiani. Now come on, read the numbers. 1 0 10.
110. This is 20. Again, 10. 20.
Let all of you come on, mute yourself.
60, 70.
Mute yourself, children.
70. 100. என்னது இது? அது 9 இல்ல, but 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. மேம் கொஞ்சம் சாட்டர்டே வாங்க மேம்.
Ma'am, finish.
Yeah, 1 minute, ma. Good. Radiani. 100. Finish. Finish 100.
மேம் கேட்டாங்க நான் finish பண்ணிட்டேன்.
100 வரையும் finish பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Very good. Vihan. Look at your finger and read the numbers. 10,
ஆ
Put your finger like this and read.
சத்தம் வை.
15,
ஆ
17,
9 10 20 20 க்கு அப்புறம் 30
30, 50,
ஆ
70,
40
40,
50
இப்படி காட்டு
60
60,
70
70,
80
90,
90 100.
100. Okay. Now I'll tell you, children. Come on, you have to show me the finger alone. Okay. Now ma'am will say 10. You are going to show me the 10 finger. 1 0 10. All of you show me 1 0 10. Show me 1 0 10. Yes, very good. 2 0 20. 2 0 20. எங்க இருக்கு 2 0 20? Very good. 3 0 30. 3 0 30. Good. Very good. 4 0 40. 4 0 40. Fourth finger. Okay. 5 0 50. 5 0 50. Visha, come on, show. I'm seeing Visha. Don't worry, Visha. 5 0 50. 5 0 50 எந்த ஃபிங்கர்ல எழுதிருக்கீங்க? லிட்டில் ஃபிங்கர், ரைட்? Yes or no? 5 0 50. Yes? 6 0 60. Where is 6 0 60? 6 0 60 எங்க எழுதிருக்கீங்க? 7 0 70. Jason, 7 0 70. 8 0 80. Very good, Visha. 8 0 80. 9 0 90. 9 0 90. 1 0 0 100. 1 0 0. Finally 1 0 0 100. Okay, keep the fingers as it is. Once the session is over, you are going to look at your own finger and you are going to learn the tens counting. Tomorrow, ma'am will again ask you. Okay, children, நாளைக்கு எல்லாரையும் ஒருத்தரா கேட்பேன் ma'am. So at that time, you have to answer correctly. சரியா? Okay? Okay, thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.